Pouncy. Pouncy. When Pouncy does this, this means he's getting cold. Come on, you look cold.
Me up like this.
This my baby.
I am?
And ain't nobody finna touch
I ain't no baby, alright?
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
You little brat.
No, this is not good behavior. What did we do? You like getting in my makeup?
You want kisses?
Bring them in here.
Nose.
No.
Hey, knock it off. Knock it off. What are you doing? What are you gonna do? You weigh 3 pounds. What are you gonna drag off all of these chicken breasts? What are you doing? No.
There goes the crackhead that I see each morning.
Wonder what is going on inside their head.